The question isn't whether you can get your site to show up in SGE, but the question becomes, will end users click through to your site? So let's take a look at Google's SGE and affiliate type sites. So I typed in a question, what type of tomatoes should I grow in Texas heat? It's a very specific question. As you can see with the AI for SGE, they come up with several varieties: Tycoon, Celebrity, Sunmaster. They talk about Heatmaster, Solar Fire. These are exact varieties of tomatoes, black Crim, Cherokee Purple. And the question becomes, if you're getting so much information within this window, would the end user then click through to the site? Because for affiliate, we need those clicks and we need to see them click on our affiliate links. So if you take a look at to the right, you can see the panel of the sites that they grabbed the information from. And if you click on them, you can see that it highlights the information that it pulled from that site. So for instance, Cherokee Purple, Juliet, Sun Gold, these are varieties of tomato that it pulled from that website and then put into the SGE window here, so that you don't necessarily have to click through to the site. All right, if you take a look at the second site that it pulled information from, you can see where it pulled because it highlights it in purple. Heat tolerant varieties such as Tycoon, Celebrity, and Sunmaster. You can see in the window where they grabbed that from, and it prints it out plain as day so that you don't necessarily, for some of the queries, you will no longer need to click through to the site. The end users will no longer be clicking through. So if I was looking for varieties that I can grow in Texas heat, and it gives me a list of the varieties, there really isn't a reason on this query for me to click through. So if you take a look down here, you can also ask follow-up questions. You can just keep clicking and getting information to show up in the window if you wanted to, and you don't necessarily have to click through. It'll keep answering your questions. So it keeps you within the SGE window instead of the old school clicking through, right? So the question becomes not, can you get your site featured in SGE or to show up in SGE, but the question to me becomes, what queries are we no longer going to click through to the site? And let me tell you, there's going to be a lot of them. Now, I don't want to scare you and have everyone throw away their affiliate sites, but you need to be made aware there are queries that we will no longer need to click through. We will no longer be getting the clicks. For instance, I typed in what type of soil for tomatoes in pots. So I'm looking for the tomatoes in pots, what type of soil would I need? Now you can see the sites that they grabbed the information from. And again, if I clicked on it, it would highlight the information in purple. And then underneath, you can see it has types of soil: Miracle Grow potting mix, Black Gold, natural, organic. Now, if I click the Miracle Grow, it then shows up in this window and it tells me what stores I can purchase it through. So you've got Home Depot, Miracle Grow, and you've got Amazon popping right up here. If I check the Black Gold, natural, organic potting soil, you have Ace Hardware, Amazon showing up as number 2. And if I clicked through, it pops up Amazon, and there it is. I can make a direct purchase. So what does this change? Well, one of these sites that it's grabbing some of the information from is an affiliate site. And here they have the Black Gold soil mix. Normally, we would have seen that and clicked through to their Amazon URL and given them credit. You've got the Miracle Grow. You've got the types of soil that is actually being featured here in the SGE window. You've got the Fox Farm. You've got products that were listed on these sites that are now listed within this window that you can click on and now get a direct link to the stores that are offering them. You have eBay, Amazon, and Ace Hardware, and then the end user would make a direct click instead of clicking through using this affiliate site, just Home Gardening, which is a really nice site. And typically you would have clicked through to the site and then clicked on one of these Amazon buttons. So the question for me becomes, what queries will we lose with SGE? And as SGE progresses, how many more queries will we begin to lose? So it's almost a game of we're losing certain queries up front. Once this is launched, this is still experimental, and we will no longer be clicking through to some of the affiliate sites for some of our queries. Now, will it be all of the queries in the beginning? No, but will SGE continue to progress as time moves on? Well, if SGE launches and everyone loves it and the end users find it really easy to navigate and quick to find their questions, guess what? It's going to continue to evolve. So it's no longer, can you get your site to show up in SGE? For me, the question becomes, what queries will we lose as affiliate site owners? And how fast will it progress once it's launched? So we will lose traffic, we will lose clicks. There's no doubt about it. But for what queries? That's still what we're trying to contemplate. And for me, it becomes how progressive and how quickly will they move into other type of queries and uncharted territory. So eventually will affiliate sites begin to get squeezed little by little, as we're seeing in the local business market? And will the majority of the clicks stay within the SGE window, which is a smart move for Google. We would no longer be clicking off of Google onto another website, but if we stay within SGE and we make all of our purchases and all of our decisions, it's a win-win for Google in the long run. It's a win for Google, but not necessarily a win for affiliate sites. I'm not saying the sky is falling and that all affiliate sites will no longer get any type of traffic. It's not going to move in that direction that quickly. More than likely, SGE will launch and then squeeze the queries and become bigger and bigger as the platform develops. If it's a good move for them, there's still a chance that SGE wouldn't be a good move for Google, but time will tell, and we will only learn and gain more data as the platform is further and further developed. And then as it's launched, we'll begin to get clear insights into what's going to happen and how fast it's going to happen.